cheap and simple cylinder liner removal tool. As you can see, there is 4 plates, and the plates are sized, in millimeters, 50 by 100, and there's 13 millimeter hole in the center, and then I use just cylinder head nuts. You need 6 of these plates with 13 millimeter holes. There's 2 more. Also you need a M12 thread and about 35 centimeters. Cheap and cheerful tool. It's coming, as you can see. Two to go. Ta-da! Now I can wash this whole block. Thanks. That was the liners.
And you feel it when you hear the wind in your ears. You have known it for so many years.